What does levothyroxine, or really any thyroid medication for that matter, do for your Hashimoto's disease? Well, this is going to be a quick video because it's doing absolutely nothing. Please, guys, you need to realize that taking your thyroid medication is doing nothing about your Hashimoto's disease. And furthermore, it's doing nothing for your thyroid gland either. Taking thyroid medication and you have Hashimoto's or even hypothyroid, put in the comments what kind of medication you're taking and if you're still having symptoms. The only thing that's happening when you take your thyroid medication, and it doesn't matter which one you take, whether it's NP, Synthroid, Armour, levothyroxine, Unithroid, Cytomel, it doesn't matter. It's only replacing what your body can't produce. That's it. It's like your car is leaking oil, and all you're doing is adding oil to the car. It's not fixing why the car is leaking or fixing the leak itself. So if you're having symptoms, you need to address the problem. Please reach out to us. We would love to help you with your condition.